Hi, welcome to the Andrew Buckle video tutorial on Illustrator and in particular how to create a pie slice. And you can see a pie slice here from a circle. So I'm just going to remove that. So how to create that? Well, what you can do, simply go to the Ellipse Tool. There's the Ellipse Tool over here and select and just generate that. Once you've done that, you'll notice here you've got various controls around it. There is also a control just down here, just this little one here. And that's how you can create a pie slice. So you can create it very thin slice, just drag around. You can also go there as well on the other side. And you'll see a little display that's appearing there. Start angle, end angle, and also the pie angle. I haven't added those up together. I am certain, obviously, they will add up to 360. But you can obviously create all kinds of different pie slices and just release. So just drag and release. Drag and release. Now what you can do, obviously what you can do, you can go all the way around if you want and just create a real sort of pie slice. That's it, a very basic pie slice. Now at this point, if you want to turn it into thing, you can go to Object and Shape and Expand Shape. And then you've got your just standard design there. Now you can't modify the pie slice anymore, but it is being turned into just a standard pie slice design, which you can of course manipulate it and change the fill, change the colour, etc. And also what you can do, you can go to Object and you can go to Repeat and Radial, and you can create all kinds of lovely designs. Now you can also do the same, and I will quickly do that before I finish. Create this design again, very quick circle, and then you can go here, again, just create your pie slice, and it's still live. So this design, until you expand it, it's live, or change something. If you go and change some of the points or something, it's still live. So you've got all the settings over here. Now, there's other alignment, etc. There's other settings. However, just quickly checking the various settings. What you can do, you can use this with the radial feature as well. And I always think it works best if you've got the design up initially. It doesn't have to be, of course, say like that. So it's going upwards. Object, and then Repeat, and then you can go to a Radial, and you can see you get that design there. And you can modify the thing and just... And what you can do then is you can modify a number of instances, so you can create more or less, and you can still edit the live design. So double click, and you've got that design, and you've still got these endpoints here that you can manipulate. So if you want, you can see you create the slices, and change that, and of course you can move it close to the center. You can create all kinds of different designs and obviously resize that, move that around, and so on and so on, but it's still live, so you can still see, create that design like that. So you can sort of distort it and warp it in all kinds of odd little ways that it will allow to still be a live pie slice. You might not want to do that, of course. Also, what you can do, you can create the circle inside there, and you can still see it's still live there. So you can create designs that way. So that's it. Pie slice in Illustrator, very quick and easy, simply by just using this control here. And of course, you can vary other things. You can go stroke, see it a bit clearer there, or maybe go for 60, and you can also click there and you've got different things, and you can get different designs that way, and you can see the pie slice there, and of course it's still live, so you can still, unfortunately, it'd be lovely if Illustrator had an option for capturing the screen, so you could actually, and some applications do have that feature where you can sort of capture all the various movements and changes. I would love to see that feature, a screen capture feature, you know, to make a movie or something, because then you could sort of make a quick sort of something talking away there. Anyway, not what perhaps the average use for the pie slice, but that's a possibility, isn't it? Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Always add new tutorials all the time. Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity Photo, and many, many others. Also, of course, any comments, any sort of things, suggestions, please let me know. It's always nice to hear. And also a dislike or like. Thank you much.